So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to fix Messenger connecting problem. But before moving on to our video, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now moving back to our video, there are a lot of problems that can cause connecting problem on Messenger. The most common problem is your slow internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is not slow and your internet connection is having no problem. If your internet connection is okay and is still showing the connecting problem, then you can open settings on your phone and scroll down where you can see the apps section. Press there and again scroll down until you see Messenger. Then press Messenger. Over there, scroll down again and go to storage. There you can see two options of clear cache and clear data. Press both. After pressing both, you will lose your temporary data or any data which isn't uploaded to the cloud. Then again open Messenger and then log into your account. Then still if it hasn't solved your problem, then try reinstalling Messenger application by deleting it first and then installing again from the Play Store. If you follow these steps, then your problem will be fixed for sure. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.